Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an airport departure gate. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two travelers and a gate agent. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Your boarding pass shows a gate number, but where should you check for the real gate? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Okay, we're through security. That was fast today.
Yes, much faster than last time. My feet are happy now.
Mine too. Let me check our gate. My boarding pass says Gate 12.
Gate 12? Let me look. Which way is that?
I think it's to the left. Come on, we can walk slowly.
Wait, Sam. Look up at that big screen. That's the departure board.
The one with all the flights and times?
Yes, it shows every flight and every gate. Let me find our flight.
Our flight is number 208 to Chicago.
Here it is, Flight 208 to Chicago. But wait, it says Gate 15 now.
Gate 15? But my pass says Gate 12.
The gate changed. It happens a lot. The paper is old, but the board is new.
Oh, that's good to know. So we always trust the board, not the paper.
Right. The gate on your pass can change on the same day. The board shows the real one.
I never knew that. So we should always check the board.
Always. Some people go to the old gate and get lost. Then they run.
I don't want to run today. Let's go to Gate 15.
Good idea. It's this way, to the right, not far.
Thank you for looking up. I almost went the wrong way.
That's what I'm here for. It is good that we both looked.
True. And the board even shows if a flight is late or on time.
Yes, look. It says on time next to our flight. That's a good sign.
Great. So we're not in a hurry. We have time to relax.
We do, but let's still walk over to the gate first.
Right. It's smart to know where the gate is early.
Then we can sit close and hear all the announcements.
True. Okay, Gate 15. Let's find some seats and rest.
Here we are, Gate 15. There are 2 empty chairs by the window.
Perfect. Let me sit down. My bag feels heavy.
While we wait, let's read our boarding passes carefully.
Good idea. What should we look for?
The boarding group first. That's the order we get on the plane.
Mine says Group 4. What about yours?
Group 4 too. Good, we're in the same group. They call groups by number.
So Group 1 gets on first, then 2, then 3, then us.
Yes, that's the order. We're near the end, so we wait a little.
Okay, now what's my seat number?
Let me see. You are 14A. The number is the row and the letter is the side.
So 14A means row 14, and A is the window?
Right. A is usually the window seat. C is often the aisle seat, the one next to the walkway.
Nice. I like the window. What's your seat?
Mine says 22C. That's row 22 on the aisle.
Wait, you're in row 22 and I'm in row 14. That's far apart.
Yes, we're not together. 8 rows away from each other.
Oh no, I wanted to sit with you and share snacks.
Me too. We booked late, so we got different seats.
Can we do something about it? I really want to sit next to you.
Maybe. Let's ask the gate agent at the counter. They can help sometimes.
The person in the uniform behind the desk?
Yes, the one who checks the passes and calls the groups.
Good plan. Let's go now before it gets busy.
Yes, bring your boarding pass so she can see our seats.
Should we ask nicely? I don't want to sound pushy.
Just be polite. Say, could we sit together? That works well.
Excuse me, are you the agent for Flight 208 to Chicago?
Yes, I am. My name is Nora. How can I help you today?
We have a small problem. Could my wife and I sit together?
Of course. Let me look. What are your seat numbers?
I'm in 14A and she's in 22C. We're 8 rows apart.
I see. So you have separate seats and want to be side by side.
Exactly. Is that possible? We don't mind the window or the aisle.
Let me check the seat map on my screen. One moment, please.
Thank you. Take your time.
Right now, the flight looks quite full. Many seats are already taken.
Oh, I see. So it might not work?
It might be full, but I can't say for sure yet. People change plans.
What do you mean?
Sometimes a seat opens up at the last minute. Someone misses the flight.
Ah, so there's still a chance.
Yes, here's what I'll do. I'll keep looking as more people check in.
That sounds great. Thank you so much.
When boarding starts, come to me first. I'll call your name if I find seats.
We'll listen for it. So we wait and you'll tell us later.
That's right. Keep your boarding passes ready and stay close to the gate.
We will. I really hope it works out.
I'll do my best. It happens more often than you think.
That's good to hear. Should we come back to the desk or wait?
Just wait near the gate. When Group 4 is called, come to me first.
Understood. We'll be right over there by the window.
Perfect. Please sit down and relax for now.
Thank you, Nora. You're very kind.
You're welcome. Good luck, and I'll see you at boarding time.
Sam, come sit. I think they're starting the announcement.
Let me listen. It's a little quiet here.
The voice says they're ready to begin boarding Flight 208.
Are they calling our group yet? We're Group 4.
Not yet. Listen, they said priority boarding goes first.
Priority boarding? What does that mean exactly?
It means some people get on before the groups. They go first.
Who gets to go first?
Usually families with small children and people who need a little help.
That makes sense. It's hard to move fast with small kids.
Right, and people in first class often board early too.
So the order is priority first, then group by group.
Exactly. After priority, they call Group 1, then 2, then 3.
And we're Group 4, so we're near the end.
Yes, we wait a little more. No need to stand up yet.
Good, because my legs are still tired.
Listen, they're inviting families with small children now.
I can hear a few babies. That must be them.
Yes, see the little line forming at the gate?
I do. They're walking up with young kids and bags.
When they finish, the groups start. We'll hear Group 4, please.
I'll listen carefully. I don't want to miss our turn.
Don't worry. They repeat it, and the screen shows the group, too.
That's helpful, both the voice and the screen.
Right, and they don't leave without calling every group.
Good. So even the last people get plenty of time.
Yes, there's no need to rush or push in line.
I like that. Flying feels calmer when you know the order.
Exactly. So we just relax until Group 4 comes up.
Ellie, I'm looking at our carry-on bag. Do you think it will fit?
You mean in the overhead bin? The shelf above the seats?
Yes, that closed shelf where people put their bags up high.
It should fit, but those bins fill up fast on busy flights.
Really? Why do they fill up so quickly?
Everyone brings a carry-on now. The space above the seats is small.
And we're in group 4, near the end, so we board late.
Right. The early groups take the space first. Late groups may find it full.
So what happens if there's no room for our bag?
Then they will keep it here at the gate. That is called a gate check.
They take our bag away? Where does it go?
Under the plane, with the big suitcases. But don't worry, it's easy.
How do we get it back after the flight?
It depends on the airline. Sometimes right at the plane door, sometimes at baggage claim.
Oh, so it's not always the same place.
Right. The gate agent will tell us where. We just listen and follow.
That's not bad at all. I thought it was a big problem.
It's normal on full flights. They do it all the time.
Good. Then I won't worry if they take our bag.
Just keep your phone, wallet, and passport with you, not in the bag.
Smart. I'll take out the things I need first.
Perfect. Then we're ready either way, bin or gate check.
You know so much about flying. I feel calm now.
I read too many travel tips, but they help us.
One more thing. Is a carry-on the bag we keep with us?
Yes, carry-on means the small bag you bring into the plane.
And the big suitcase we gave them earlier?
That's checked baggage. It travels under the plane, and we get it at claim.
So carry-on stays with us. Checked bags go below. Got it.
You're learning fast. Soon you'll teach me the travel tips.
Group 4, please come to the gate. Group 4, you may board now.
That's our group. Nora, hello again. It's Sam from before.
Sam, perfect timing. I have good news for you.
Good news? Please tell me.
I found 2 seats together. You can sit side by side now.
Really? That's wonderful. Which seats are they?
15A and 15B, row 15, the window and the middle, right next to each other.
15A and 15B. Thank you so much. You made our day.
You're very welcome. A seat opened up, so I moved you both.
I can't believe it. Ellie will be so happy.
Now let me scan your boarding pass. Hold it up to the reader.
Here it is on my phone. Do I put the code on the glass?
Yes, just hold the little square code over the scanner. It reads it.
Like this? Oh, it beeped.
That beep means it worked. Your boarding is now recorded.
Great. Paper or phone, it's the same.
Same thing. The scanner reads both. You're all set.
Wonderful. And Ellie's pass?
Scan hers too. There, another beep. Both of you are ready to board.
Thank you again for the new seats. This means a lot.
My pleasure. One tip, keep your phone bright so the scanner reads it.
Good point. My screen was a little dark the first time.
It happens often. A bright screen makes that beep come faster.
I'll remember that for next time. Thanks for the tip.
Enjoy your trip. Have a nice flight.
We will. Thank you, Nora. You were a big help today.
Take care, both of you. The plane is just down the bridge.
Ellie, guess what? We can sit together. Seats 15A and 15B.
What? Really? Nora found us seats?
Yes, a seat opened up and she moved us both to row 15.
That's the best news! Window and middle, right next to each other.
I get the window, you get the middle. We can share snacks after all.
I'm so happy. This trip is starting well.
It really is. Look, we're walking onto the plane now.
This long walkway has a name. It's called a jet bridge.
A jet bridge? So this is the tunnel to the plane door.
Yes, it connects the gate to the airplane. It can move and turn.
That's clever. So we stay dry even when it rains outside.
Exactly. No wind, no rain. We walk straight to the door.
It's a little downhill here. Watch your step.
Thanks. Yes, the floor goes down a bit toward the plane.
The bridge connects straight to the airplane door. Pretty smart design.
It is. I can see the door now. A flight attendant is waiting there.
I can hear the plane too. That soft, low sound.
Here we go. Our seats are close, our bag is fine, and we're together.
Everything worked out. The gate change, the seats, all of it.
See? A little patience and it all comes together.
Next stop, Chicago. I can't wait to look out the window.
Me too. Let's find row 15 and get comfortable.
After you, here comes the fun part, the flight itself.
One last step. The gap between the bridge and the door is small.
I see it. Just a little space by the plane's edge. I'll step over.
Good. Now we're right at the door. What a smooth walk.
It really was. From the gate to the plane, all under cover.
Here we go. Hello, plane.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Your boarding pass shows a gate number, but where should you check for the real gate? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.